Okay, so we're ready to try this out here. I've got a couple matches and some paper. I'll turn this light on here. So we can see we have power through our extension cord, through our smoke detector, which is also powered up, and we have our light working, or 3D printer. So try and light this on fire here. So what we should see happen is once we have enough smoke, the smoke detector should go off. We'll hear some beeping. I'll try and silence that. And our light should go out pretty well immediately once the smoke detector starts going. Okay, so apparently pushing the test button turned. So I just pushed the test button there to silence the alarm. Apparently pushing the silence button also turns our relay back on, which I'm not really happy about, but I suppose in the case of a fire you would be pushing the test button anyways. So we can see our circuit works. As soon as we had enough smoke for the smoke detector to detect, it triggered the contactor that we wired in, and it killed power to our cord end, so either our light here or the 3D printer. So all in all, I'd say it's successful. That's what we're looking for. Thanks for watching.